Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive straight into managing remote teams with Monday.com, the complete 2025 guide. Now, the first step is setting up your workspace. You'll want to create a workspace that has all the necessary boards for your team's tasks and projects. This is crucial as it provides a centralized location for your team's workflow and enables everyone to know what they should be working on. Once that's done, it's time to invite your team members. The reason we do this is to make sure everyone has access to the workspace, enhancing collaboration. Just click on the Invite Members button, type in their email addresses, and hit Send. Next up, you'll want to assign tasks to your team members. Just click on an empty task box, type in the task, and assign it to a team member. This helps us because it clearly designates who is responsible for what, creating accountability and reducing confusion. Now that we've done that, it's time to enable notifications. This is done by clicking on the bell icon at the top right corner of your workspace. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you do this. Monday.com will start sending updates about task progress, completed tasks, and any upcoming deadlines. The benefit of this is that it keeps everyone updated in real time, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Finally, make use of Monday.com's communication features. You can leave comments on tasks, start a conversation thread, or even use the chat function for real-time communication. The reason we do this is to promote open communication, effectively tackling any issues that might arise and maintaining a healthy team dynamic. And there you have it. You've just learned how to manage remote teams with Monday.com. This tool is a game changer when it comes to remote team management, streamlining processes, and promoting collaboration. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.